Hi guys, welcome back to Mary Curly. Today we're going to show you how to make this rose petal body cream. You can use this cream on your body, your face and your hair. All the ingredients and the amounts are listed on the screen.
We are going to be using sweet almond oil, rosehip oil, vitamin E oil, rose powder, as well as avocado butter and beeswax. Sweet almond oil soothes dry skin and helps to improve complexion as well as skin tone. It's rich in vitamin A and has antimicrobial properties which may help to treat acne. Rosehip oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants. It helps in the regeneration of cells and tissue. Oh, and we haven't talked about rose petal powder. Research has shown that rose petal powder has skin anti-inflammatory properties and it can also help to reduce the signs of aging. Avocado butter has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which help to soothe dry skin. It has healing properties that help to restore skin cells. It has also been found to be effective in relieving signs of eczema and psoriasis. Use the cream on your face, your body and your hair. This cream is very good in cold winter months. It's going to keep your skin moisturized, soft and well protected. Let me know if you give it a go.